Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So today was a good day. We batted 1,000. It was 100% accuracy through 4 trades. It was only 3 trades until I opened up the platform to make this video. I saw a decent setup for a quick scalp and ended up taking my 4th trade. That was a small winner, but it paid for my cup of coffee. So let me just share the screen with you here in a second before I do, and I'm going to go over every trade with you. Most of them were done pre-market. Hit the thumbs up. It helps the channel continue to grow. We are almost at my goal of 1,000 subscribers that I set when I first started the channel. Did not think we would get there this fast, but it's awesome to see. And I do thank every single one of you guys. I can't say that enough. I do really appreciate every thumbs up that you guys give the channel. It helps send that algorithm to more and more people on YouTube. So I do really appreciate that. So now I will share the screen. Okay, everyone, sharing the money maker. Today was a decent day, up $28.11. Now, you guys that have been watching me for a while, and for all those that have just started watching me now, I keep my risk very small. I take profit out of the market almost every single day. I'll sprinkle in a red day here and there. It happens. Every trader has a red day. So if you're watching YouTube videos, a couple of tips for you guys, especially new traders. If you're watching YouTube videos of traders and they are not showing you their platform like I show you every single day, and they're not showing you any losses, I would be very skeptical about that person that you're watching. Just saying, you have to show your platform, your P&L every day, or how do you even know whether somebody's consistently profitable? You don't. You're going to take their word. Okay, you could take their word. That's fine. But, and sometimes you get some good information from different people, and that's fine as well. But the trades that we took today were 2 of them were from my weekend video that I just posted yesterday because the markets were closed. My 3 top picks for this week, there was potential breakouts at play. I posted the video, and maybe I will show you guys a screenshot of that really quickly. And if you haven't, go back, watch the video. These trades are they're still very much in play. Even though you may have missed the initial buy area, the trades are validated, especially in a market that we're seeing, and I'll show you guys here in a second. So the market took a dip, and it looks like it hit one of our levels here. So now this is important. These levels get posted every single day in our Discord and over on Twitter, and you can see it bounced off of our buy area right here about an hour ago. I didn't even see this. I wasn't on the charts at this point, but these levels are very important. And you can see down here on the 5-minute, we hit a sell area here, right here in pre-market, right here in pre-market again. And then the first 5 minutes of the day, it ran right into our sell zone right here. This is a very validated area. When something is having trouble breaking above it, as you can see here, that means there's more selling up there than there are buyers. So we dropped right off the bat. First bounced off of this first area, it looks like. Let me just zoom in. Bounced off of it, broke it, tried to break it on the retest, couldn't, and then went down to this level here that you're seeing. And there's a lot of business, I call it business, there's a lot of transactions that happen around these areas. And in between the areas, that's where you don't really want to be trading because you can get chopped out. I like to take my trades around these areas. So anyway, with the overall market down, right? My 3 picks are up. That's a good sign. That means that the breakout that we saw on the charts from the video, they were very good breakout potential. And it looks like a lot of other day traders took those trades as well, because that's what we want to do. We want to be trading things that other people are trading. So let's get into the quick trades. It was a very, very slow day for me, just so you guys know. Quick in and out trades. I was at my other business all day, so I had to really take these trades quickly. And most of them were done in pre-market. AMC was setting up nice. 7 a.m., got a big boost. I like to see that. That's when most of the platforms open up. We got the volume, and then we got the pullback. This is where I like to get involved. We bounced off VWAP, and then I'm going to zoom in even closer because this was a trade that I really could have taken some size with. But since it is pre-market, I don't take a lot of shares. You can't set a hard stop in pre-market. So I went with 100 shares. I took the quick 13 cents and I was happy, sort of. But when something bounces off VWAP, right, gets over the 9, this is my favorite indicator on the 1 minute and the 5 minute chart, my favorite indicator. It gets over the 9, I get involved, and that's where we stayed until I sold into that last push right here. So that's what we bounced off VWAP. This is a nice setup. Bounce off VWAP, got over the 9, I get involved, and then I sell into this push here. So that's one trade here on AMC. Another trade on NIO was taken with 49 as my stop out. This is something that was selling off only because of China cracking down on some, U.S. Exchange stocks because of that DDIPO, some other BS, but that's the only reason why this was selling off. So if you could have gotten this around 49, beautiful, beautiful entrance. So I took the trade here and I had 49 as my stop. It held up. I didn't even need that long. I got in and out pretty quickly. If you guys can see, there's my trade down there at 49.08 and sold at 49.13. So that was the NIO trade. And then my last trade of the day was CHWY, another stock that we called out. And this is a beautiful call out. I do have to say so myself. A very, very nice breakout, as you can see here. We were at $80 on Friday. We are now at $83.50. So this is a great breakout. We called it out. It is called out because of this. This is the daily chart. This is a trend line that goes back all the way to May. Every time we hit the trend line, we bounce. This before this green bar picture, this green bar not here anymore. I made the video right here, and then we got this nice green bar. So now we're going to be seeing a little bit of resistance right around here, which is totally normal when you come up to a place that you got rejected to last. We could potentially pull back a little bit before breaking what is called a flat top breakout. So I really, really like CHWY a lot. This is setting up very, very nicely. Very, very nicely. But it is up 3.65% today alone. I hope that some of you watched the video and took this trade. This was a good one. So getting back to my trade, a very simple trade, just grinding up over the 9, selling into the next candle. This was basically me taking advantage of the spread on this stock at the time. I just put my order out low, and then in the next candle, I was able to just take it for a 7-cent profit. It was probably the easiest trade I've ever done. So that's it, guys. You know, $28.11. Not a bad start to the week. I usually will start the week off a little choppy. Last week, I actually had a decent Monday. The week before, I think, was a red day. But normally, the first day of the week, for whatever reason, I don't know why, is sometimes a little choppy for me. So I will take this. I will take the 4 for 4 on the trades. I will take the nice call outs, the nice setups in a down market. Overall, not a bad start to the week. So that's it, guys. We're looking at CHWY to continue the momentum. AMC was showing stuff today. The momentum was showing. Let's see what else. Peloton had a beautiful rebound off the bottom. And actually, I'll show you guys that right now, because this was also one of the stocks that was one of our 3 stocks. So Peloton was the other one. And we'll pull that up here. We'll pull that up here. This was where we wanted to buy it. If you guys can see, I just got to move this over. This area right here, you see this green line? This was the top of the buy zone, and it's still validated all through this area, would all be validated for a potential buy for Peloton. It bounced off of this level and took off about 4 points. You could have even had a beautiful little intraday swing on this. So it bounced off this level. Like I said, this trade that we called out is still going to be validated as long as it stays over this trend line. And I'll just back this up for you guys. We want the break of 127 eventually. That's the end goal here. So, and I also think this was bouncing, if my memory serves me correctly, off of the 200-day. Did I just do that right? No. Use set, apply. Yes, there we go, guys. It bounced off the 200-day moving average. So this was a good entrance. Anybody that caught this, the computer algorithms, obviously, were buying at the 200-day. It was resistant. It was resistance here. It was resistance here. Once we broke, things that were resistance now should turn to support if we're in a bullish uptrending stock. And that's exactly what happened here with Peloton. So that's it. Good call outs, good trading today. I hope that you guys all had a great trading day, and I will see you guys back tomorrow with another video. Everybody, take care.